Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by nailing capture choices because good VFX depend on source. Set 24-30 FPS and a LOG profile to preserve highlights and shadows. Once done, map 3-5 visual beats to the song so every effect hits musically. You'll save time later. Make sure to record clean plates and 1/2 stop exposure bracket plus a color card for accurate grading. Shoot stabilization passes, or simple motion, takes now so compositing will align and look natural. You build the scene by solving movement and isolation. Start tracking, planar for surfaces, 3D for full camera moves, so elements attach convincingly. Stabilize first if needed. Then key foregrounds with multi-pass matte work and garbage mats to clean edges. This prevents fringing in bright spots. Once isolated, add particle systems, light leaks, or displacement maps. Blend modes like screen or add keep highlights, while opacity ramps sync effects to tempo. This creates depth and ties visual. You finish by integrating everything into a cohesive look. Grade the comp so effects match scene temperature and contrast. This sells realism. Once graded, render review proxies to confirm timing and sync across the timeline, then output final at 10-bit or higher for delivery. If something goes wrong, retrack the problem area first. If tracking fails, rekey or paint the artifacted frames. Remember, one corrected frame with clean edges beats an entire shaky render, so isolate and fix precisely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.